How to reset secret code on WhatsApp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your secret code on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open WhatsApp and let's say if you have any locked chats, for example, I have this over here, you'll be able to see this lock chats option. Click on lock chats and it will verify using your face and then you'll be redirected to all of your lock chats. And then you can see that you can either open the lock chats using secret code or your Face ID. But however, if your Face ID is not enabled and you have forgotten your secret code, then what can you do? So what can you do is that you can simply go back and click on settings here at the bottom right. So you'll be redirected to the settings. What you gotta do is click on privacy over here and then scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll be able to see the option of chat lock. Click on it and here you'll be able to see this option that says unlock and clear locked chats. So if you forgot your secret code, you can clear it. This will also unlock and clear messages, photos and videos in locked chats. So you can reset your secret code. But one thing that you need to be aware of is that when you reset your secret code, if you have locked any chats already, all of the images, videos, messages that chat contained will be removed and deleted. So that is how you can reset secret code on WhatsApp. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.